औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 9th, आज हम आपकी इंग्लिश किताब का एक टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे जो हमने पिछले क्लास में भी डिस्कस किया था, जिसको हमने पढ़ा था द टेम्पेस्ट फर्स्ट। इसके पहला और सेकंड पैरा हमने पढ़ा है। और दिस इज बेसिकली अ प्ले रिटन बाय विलियम शेक्सपियर। तो चलिए आज हम इसी को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ा था when Prospero raised the storm in the sea, and suddenly her daughter Miranda, she is looking out of the window, and when she saw the ship is struggling in the hard waves, in the very dangerous waves, and she asked her father that if you have raised this tempest, please put an end to it, because the sailors are drowning. This is touching my heart, this has knocked my heart, and I can't bear that the sailors are drowning in violent waves. Now we will see what Prospero, his father, told her. Now for the first time, Prospero told Miranda the strange story of her life. Now this is the time that Prospero is narrating the story to his daughter Miranda, that this is the strange story of her life, unusual story of her life। ये एक अनोखी कहानी है इस लड़की की जिंदगी के बारे में। उसका बाप उसको ये कहानी सुना रहा। 12 years ago, he said. He told his daughter that before 12 years ago means before 12 years, my dear daughter, I was Duke of Milan, means Prospero was the king of Milan. Duke means king. Duke means king. He was the king of Milan. Milan is a place. Knowledge was my chief aim in life. So Prospero told her that knowledge was his chief aim of life. Means knowledge was his aim of life, goal of life. इल्म हासिल करना उसकी ज़िंदगी का मकसद था। Wealth and worldly possessions hardly mattered to me. Means wealth, दौलत and worldly possession and whatever is in the world, that doesn't matter to Prospero. That hardly mattered to him. उसको ज़्यादा मायने नहीं रखता था उसके लिए। Leaving the management of state affairs to my brother Antonio, whose loyalty I never doubted, I devoted all my time to secret studies. Prospero told her daughter that he has, though as he was a king, he has given this the charge of the state affairs, the management of the state affairs, to his brother. His name was Antonio, and he never doubted his loyalty. He was a faithful person to him. He was a loyal person to him, and he never got suspicious on him. वो कभी भी मैं उसके ऊपर शक नहीं करता था। Doubt means suspicious. Loyalty means faithfulness. He told her that he devoted all his precious time. He devoted all his time to secret studies. यानी मैंने पूरा अपना वक्त जो है तालीम में पढ़ने में सरफ किया, जो सीक्रेट स्टडीज़ थी इसी में लगा दिया, और स्टेट के जो का मतलब मैनेजमेंट था वो उसने अपने भाई के हवाले कर दिया। Meanwhile he grew greedy for power and possession, but his brother Antonio, he grew greedy. Grown. He grew greedy. वो लालची बन गया। Greedy means लालची वो बन गया। ग्रीडी फॉर पावर, यानी ताकत के लिए वो लालची बन गया, एंड फॉर पोजेशन एंड फॉर वर्ल्डली पोजेशंस ही ब्राइब्ड माय मिनिस्टर्स, ही ब्राइब्ड द मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ प्रॉस्पिरो, उसने रिश्वत दे दी उसके मिनिस्टरों को, एंड प्लॉटेड अगेंस्ट मी, एंड ही प्लॉटेड एंड ही हैड अ कॉन्स्पिरेसी, उसने उसके मिनिस्टरों के साथ कॉन्स्पिरेसी की, प्लॉट किया, ही हैड अ कॉन्स्पिरेसी, उनके खिलाफ इसने कॉन्स्पिरेसी वहाँ पर की, अगेंस्ट प्रॉस्पिरो विथ माय एनिमी द king of Naples, and he had a conspiracy with the enemies of the Prospero, who were the nearest kingdom, that was the king of Naples. Naples का जो बादशाह था उसका दुश्मन था, उसके साथ इसने कॉन्स्पिरेसी की और मेरे मिनिस्टरों को भी ये रिश्वत दे दी. One dark night their soldiers took me out of my palace. So one dark night, एक अंधेरी काली रात थी, the soldiers of Antonio now they took Prospero out of his palace, उन्होंने उसको अपने पैलेस से बाहर निकाला, महल खाने से बाहर निकाला, with you crying in my arms, and my dear girl, my dear Miranda, you were crying at that, you were just like a baby and you were crying in my arms, आप मेरी हाथों में उस वक़्त रो रही थी. They did not dare to kill us openly. Now they don't have the courage to kill us openly. हमें वो खुले आम नहीं मारना चाहते थे. So they put us into an old and damaged ship. What they did, they put Prospero and Miranda in a damaged ship, so that they will that could hardly float. That was so damaged that could hardly float. वो इतना मतलब डैमेज हुआ था, वो तैर नहीं सकता था, वो हार्डली फ्लोट कर सकता था. एंड लेफ्ट अस टू perish at sea, and they left us to that the damaged ship would be perished, would be destroyed in sea. वो समंदर में खुद ब खुद डूब जाएगा और वो मर जाएंगे. But there was a kind old lord named Gonzalo. But there was my old servant. His name was Gonzalo. He was a very kind man. He was loyal to me at heart. So he was very faithful to him. He was very faithful to Prospero, and was not in favor of Antonio's plot. And he was against Antonio's plot. He was against Antonio's conspiracy. He was not in favor of Antonio's plot. He secretly stored the ship with fresh water, food, and clothes. So he go and secretly stored the ship with fresh water, clothes, and etc. Whatever was it, and his precious books also, and his valuable books. Precious means valuable books, which I valued more than my dukedom. These books were so precious to Prospero, and he valued these books more than his dukedom, more than his kingdom. Dukedom means kingdom. Driven by favorable winds, we floated to this lonely island. And we were driven by the favorable winds. God was with us, and we floated to this lonely island. ये जो अकेला आइलैंड है, इस पर हम मतलब अल्लाह ताला की कुदरत से हमने इस पर हम आ पहुँचे. But what is your reason for raising this tempest? Asked Miranda. Now Miranda asked his father, that is good. They put us into the damaged ship to perish into the sea. They are our enemies. But what you have raised this tempest? What is the reason behind rising this tempest? इस टेम्पेस्ट को राइज करने के लिए इसके पीछे क्या राज है? Was still thinking of the drowning sailors. Miranda was still thinking about the drowning sailors. She is thinking that the sailors are drowning in the sea. So she asked her father that why you have raised this tempest? What is the reason behind this? Fortune has now begun to favor me, replied Prospero. Now Prospero told her, now the fate has begun to favor him. अब मुकद्दर उसको साथ दे रही है, मुकद्दर मुझे साथ दे रही है। प्रॉस्पेरो टोल्ड हिज डॉटर, मुकद्दर उसको साथ दे रही है। द टेम्पेस्ट हैज़ इन अ स्ट्रेंज मैनर ब्रॉट ऑल माई enemies to this island. Oh my dear girl, this tempest has brought all my enemies. Uh, this tempest has brought all his enemies to this island. यानी इस टेम्पेस्ट के जरिए मेरे जो पूरे दुश्मन थे वो इस आइलैंड पर आ पहुंचे हैं. They are in the ship you see. The persons, the sailors who are drowning in the ship, who are struggling very hard, they are all his enemies. They are the enemies of Prospero. For the present, it is enough for you to know that much, and that is enough that you should know. ये आपके लिए जानना इतना ही काफ़ी है. Then Prospero touched Miranda gently with his magic wand, and she fell asleep. Now Prospero was having a magic wand. इसके हाथ में एक जादुई लाठी थी. Wand means stick, and he touched this stick. He touched Miranda with this stick, and she fell asleep. जब उसने उसको टच किया उस जादुई लाठी से, और मिरांडा सो गई. She fell asleep. So I think this is sufficient for today. So here are some words. You can see the meaning of the words. Strange means unusual. So here are some antonyms also. You can see. Hope you have understand. Thank you for today.